Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm interviewing Mayank Tripathi, Chief Sales Officer at Frauscher Sensor Technology, to share the story of Frauscher Sensor Technology and their mission with RailFactor. Hi Mayank, could you please tell us a bit about Frauscher Sensor Technology and where the mission for Frauscher started from?
First of all, thanks for having me here. Frauscher Sensor Technology was founded in 1987 by Mr. Joseph Frauscher with a very innovative business idea. It took several decades of development and innovation to create these high-performance sensors. From 2010 onwards, our international expansion became one of our main priorities. And in 2019, we became part of the Show Group. That's a bit on where we come from. We are a company with a very strong mission. Our values, our culture, our people is what makes our company successful. A pioneering spirit, a great passion for innovation, and many other brilliant ideas. In fact, it is this productive mix that makes Frauscher the company it is today. Our motto, track more with less, refers to making it easier for our customers to access the information they need to operate, monitor, and maintain their infrastructure. This is rooted in our mission. We enable our customers to obtain more relevant information with less effort. The goal is to ensure the easiest possible handling for maximum performance, efficiency, and profitability. Our team does its best to achieve this every single day. Furthermore, we are committed to put the customer at the center of our activities, as the customer is the one who will define the success of product or a solution. We must more than ever listen to our customers and involve their voice in our decision making to ensure that our products and solutions are at the cutting edge of innovation and meet all the technical and field requirements.
Interesting insights, Mayank. Could you also please tell us about your role in the organization?
I have been part of Frauscher Group since some years now and in the role of global CSO for several months now. My role is to make sure that my team is fully enabled to make significant steps towards our vision and purpose. With my team of extremely passionate and inspired people, our aim is to strengthen our position in the market through innovation and to further consolidate our relationship with our customers by supporting them throughout the whole life cycle of our products. To achieve this, we are working hard on all related aspects. All our thoughts, reflections, and decisions are made through one perspective, that is customer.
So, as you've already told us about international expansion, how many offices are there around the globe and what are the significant markets?
It is extremely important for us to be present and represented in several countries around the world, which is why we have now opened over 15 locations and some more to come in following months. Our main objective is to be able to understand our customers in all aspects. We all know how each operator's requirements are similar and different at the same time. As an example, 5 years ago, I opened a location in France because we believe that Frauscher can support the growth of the rail transport in the country. It is essential to speak the language of the client, to communicate better and understand the subtle aspects of their requirements and environment. In 2014, we also opened a production facility in India where we produce individual products tailored to the Indian market. This is a very good example of listening to our customers and their specific needs and requirements.
What exactly is sensor technology and how significant is it for the railway market?
Frauscher is technology leader in producing highly available safety sensors for track vacancy detection system, or known as axle counters, and wheel detection system for various applications in different railway markets, which include main lines, metros, tram, light rail, etc. The sensor technology is based on principle of inductive sensing. This means that the sensors are designed to detect the wheel flange of a traversing rail vehicle without requiring any mechanical contact. Thanks to that, the maintenance effort is reduced to minimum and the sensors provide the highest safety which is available on the market currently. The safety is ensured by two independent sensor systems which are evaluated by a safe indoor equipment which is also using two-channel to satisfy higher safety requirements. In addition to the pure wheel detection function, modern inductive wheel sensors do provide much more valuable information for train operation, like direction, speed, system status output, just to mention a few of them. It is now well-established fact that inductive wheel sensors have less life cycle cost as compared to other forms of track vacancy detection system.
Mayank, can you also please tell us how Frauscher is leading towards an undisputed leader for secondary train detection system and what gives the edge over other similar systems in the market?
I believe that the most important thing is to continuously question ourselves. To do this, we put 10 to 12% of our turnover back into R&D. We also acknowledge the fact that the most innovative or disruptive product is not enough in the rail industry. We need to go further and we need to go beyond. As an OEM, we have the responsibility to make sure that systems operate in optimal condition during their lifetime. Hence, we are offering a complete suite of services under the Frauscher Pulse initiative. They include full operational support, data-driven services, competence management, to name a few. Another crucial aspect, as in any other industry, is continuous learning and development. This is one of the key factors to keep our leading position in the market. In the company, we have quite some number of initiatives to make this a daily practice. Everyone can learn or should learn from others. For example, a new graduate will bring freshness, spontaneity, and new ideas, while a person who has perhaps several years of experience will bring good practices and subject matter expertise. This culture of experience sharing and learning is deeply rooted in Frauscher.
Can you give us a brief insight about why axle counters are better compared to similar train detection systems such as track circuits?
Every solution brings its own set of advantages and disadvantages. It is not fair to compare them without considering the specific conditions around them. Having said this, and like in any other industry, technology evolves for better and we need to embrace them. As a pioneer in train detection system, it is our role to provide the best techno-economical fit to our customers, and I expect our potential customers to embrace these innovations and capitalize with newer and better technology.
Could you please tell us about the current major market for Frauscher and the market share within the industry for sensor systems?
The strategy is to operate on the whole globe. Therefore, we have a number of offices spread across all our continents, which means Frauscher does not focus just on few specific markets. However, there are some current major markets within this picture. As an example, India has been investing a lot in their infrastructure projects, and we are proud that we are contributing significantly to country's growth. Nevertheless, we see also high potential in many other countries, especially those which are currently moving from their legacy or older generation of technologies to modern train detection technologies. Our continuous quest to provide best-in-class solutions to our customer pushes us every single day to come up with a better solution. High market share and global market leader position is just an effect of this continuous, never-ending quest of doing better and doing more.
Mayank, can you tell us about your expectations? So where do you foresee the railway market would be in the next few decades and how significant it is for addressing the global warming?
I really think that the rail market will grow in the next few years, especially in developing countries. Furthermore, we know that the world in which we live is increasingly innovative and future modes of transport will be quite different from what we know today. Therefore, we want to adapt our products to the future needs of our customers and reinvent ourselves by being part of their strategy in longer term. We want to contribute to make transport more economical for users, to encourage them to choose this mode of transport rather than any other. As a responsible industry, we take deep care of our environmental impact and aspects like eco-design, carbon footprint, use of renewable sources of energy, which are not a buzzwords for us. I'm very proud to say that our biggest location in Austria is using all its energy requirements from 100% renewable source. In the end, it's a never-ending challenge that we are proud to take up every day and hopefully contribute to make our planet a better living place.
Are there also any threats you foresee in the market for secondary train detection system over the next few decades? Is there going to stay, or continuous improvement and innovation are needed?
Thankfully, the market is increasingly competitive. There is a global trend to accelerate the digital transformation using innovative and disruptive technologies. Rail transport is no exception. The coming up startups are strong competitors just by the mere fact that they have a very strong vision and they are driven by their purpose. They are not afraid to fail. To stay in this infinite race, we must be innovative and do not rely on our past success. As for your question about axle counters as train detection system, there are still possibilities to innovate, develop synergies on related products.
So at the end, Factor has a mission to unite the rail industry and bring all rail professionals under one roof for promotion of sustainable mode of transportation and to support the industry. Do you have any advice at the end for the mission?
In fact, rail and rail signaling specifically is a niche market, so regular meeting between global players, institutions, governments, experts in the field is definitely worthwhile. Communication, interaction, awareness between all is very important, whatever the business is.
Thank you very much, Mayank, for taking the time and for sharing your viewpoints for RailFactor.com.